SM City Pampanga, that's our meeting place, and now we're heading to another SM City.
May paglibing ko pa kasi. Charot.
Hi po.
Ali, uling late kayo ka magpila.
I don't visit this place often, so I just knew that this mall has a skyline, an elevated outdoor park area along with dining and parking area.
Hello, welcome to
Welcome to SM City. Bono lang. Wait, mas madali tayo nga. Kung clinic.
We're looking for
We're looking for Dookki.
Dookki.
How do you pronounce that?
Whatever.
How do you pronounce that? Dookki.
Doon kaya sa may
Yes po.
Sa skyline pala.
Okay.
Hindi ko lang siguro pag-akas kapal na rin kain. Sumuni ko.
We do not know the exact location. Who's gonna give you directions? Just do what we did. Let's keep walking.
How are you?
We entered at the main gate. Let's say you'll do the same. Let's find H&M, and on the right side we have the National Bookstore.
Welcome to
SM City Park.
Let's look for contests, and let's go out. There it is. Everyone's so excited because we're absolutely starving at this moment in time.
12 hours later. May tayo na yan. Here we go.
Agree? Very.
If you're familiar with the location of Buffet 101 or Sumo Niku restaurant, just find that and cross the street. The first batch started at 10:30. We arrived here at 11:20ish, so we gotta wait and join these people waiting. Apparently we're in the middle of the queue right now. It's still an hour to go.
Update. Hello.
Hello, ito po, nandito po kami sa Dookki. Nakapila pa, gutom kami. Ayan po yung pila, nakikita niyo po. Time check, 11:36. So, have to wait for 1 hour and 30 minutes. Kung makaburap po ba ito? Update po, medyo malapit na kami.
I-Aileen pa mo muna yan. 11:43, 15 minutes na lang, kakain na.
The people inside the restaurant are still enjoying the food, but it's nearly our turn.
Hello, ayan na po yung pinto. Pagpasok na kami, sinara po ni Kuya.
Pero di ko kaya
Mamaya po po. Hey, we're
Finally, we're here. Welcome to Dookki.
may allergies po sila sa seafood. Yung leftover po natin, may diet po na 200. Yung drinks po natin, may hourly time po tayo, 1 hour and 30 minutes.
Originated from Korea, and now the business stays ahead of the pack by expanding it in the entire Southeast Asia. The first branch is located at SM City North EDSA in Metro Manila. Let's start experiencing an authentic Korean food here in the Philippines. Let's choose what to take a bite. We definitely have a variety of rice cake or duk in Korea, different colors, different shapes. Try them all. They've got healthy and savory fish cake. who wouldn't enjoy that? Asian cuisine, let's add some noodles in our pot. Also some meat, seafood, and some greens. Eggs are ignored by many because they may help you feel fuller. As for me, it adds a touch of flavor to the soup noodles. Now choose your sauce. We have curry sauce, dondaemun if you're into spicy food. Barbecue sauce for children, well, you can still try it. I think they just put that it's for children because it's not spicy and not reactive to allergies at all. We've got Dookki original sauce, rich cream sauce, jajang, dukmo, and busan sauce. Diversifying our delectable meal, we have fried chicken, french fries, onion rings, fried sweet potatoes, seaweed rolls, mandu, that just simply means dumplings in Korea. They have all of this diced for the fried rice, but I don't think customers can fry the rice unless they're done using the single pot for the tteokbokki. Here is our intensely flavored japchae. I don't usually eat rice, but I am fascinated with Japanese/Korean dish, rice balls, rice roll, kimbap, sushi, whatever you call it. Oh, by the way, what's Dookki Topokki? Most of us probably learned a foreign language in school, or we heard these 3 words from someone or from a movie.
자, 하나, 둘, 셋.
Hana dul set, which means 1, 2, 3. There, dul means 2, and ki means meal, according to a Korean friend. So together we'll have Dookki, literally means 2 meals. Tteokbokki for the first meal, fried rice for the second meal, but I still wonder how many Filipinos or foreigners follow that. They'll absolutely reach satiety after the first meal. And tteokbokki? Hot and spicy rice cake. It was actually street food, but this tteokbokki restaurant, Dookki, has more than 200 branches in Korea, and now it's starting to grow here in the Philippines. I enjoyed the gnocchi in China, and today I'll have a bunch more. You can eat all of this for only 499 pesos, and for the kids, half of that, 249, and your kids' height matters. 4 feet and below. You gotta check. It's 12:25 in the afternoon and we still have an hour to enjoy this chewy, sweet, and savory tteokbokki. And spicy, that's your choice.
This is how you eat. Yan, tama na kayo eh.
Lapit mo tayo.
Kapali ako ng ulo. Nag-date na ako ah.
Yummy.
Ito lang po kayo still have 28 minutes.
Ilan?
28 minutes.
And I became speechless because I can't eat anymore. Well, this gorgeous lady can do it.
Ayan, school na kaya naman. Balita ko na.
Thank you.
Hello.
1 hour and 30 minutes.
Come and enjoy Dookki Topokki Philippines. Currently, we have 2 branches. First, SM City North EDSA opened last year. This is the second one. SM City Clark recently opened, that was last week, and we'll open another one at SM City Megamall in Ortigas Center, Mandaluyong City, Metro Manila.
Here at SM.
Isang layo. Sinang laning Helen.
Welcome to the wonderful world.
SM! Magiging makalitan eh, bongga.
Magkano yan?
Wala.
Hi.
How was your flight?
Welcome to SM City Pampanga.
We're here at SM City Pampanga.